Installation options have a direct impact on your user experience. So let's talk about how we could use these ionizers and install them in our homes. Start with the K8. Through our testing, you've seen me using the diverter valve. And the reason we have this diverter valve, where you turn it on, turn the valve, and get water out of the K8, is it's the only installation option that comes with the K8. There's a couple of other options from third-party vendors, but use of them will void your warranty, according to the manual. So the only option is to use a diverter valve like this. You have the tubes. While it's on, nobody else can get water from the sink. Really your only option. The Vesta H2, on the other hand, has 3 different installation options. And we also have a diverter. It's a little cleaner, a little simpler, a little tidier around the sink, but you can certainly use that, and a lot of our customers do. My favorite option, and what I use at home, is the direct plumb option. Because we have a flow control valve right on the front of the machine, we can use this to start and stop water flow, and we can connect it directly to the cold water line underneath your sink. It eliminates the diverter in the tubes, and you can use the sink at the same time, so somebody can wash their hands while you're getting a glass of water, no interruptions. We also have several great under sink mounting options where you can actually get the ionizer completely under the sink and just use a really attractive faucet like this one above the sink. So we have a few different options to fit whatever lifestyle, home and kitchen and look you desire, or you can use the diverter valve as your only real option.